This is my presentation on social media as a tool for learning. My name is Louis Guimares. I'm a junior at the University of Arizona studying music integrated studies with emphasis on studio engineering. I'm a big social media fan and I'm also learning on social media. That's why I chose this topic. My thesis is that social media has become integrated in the daily lives of the students, so much so that it can be used as a tool to enhance the learning experience, especially as new learning methods of the 21st century continue to progress. A big reason why social media is a great tool is because there is more personalization from the student's side, because with a lot of learning management systems like ours is D2L, they're designed for the instructor so that they can apply grades and upload assignments easier, and there's less importance on the perspective of the student. Social media, on the other hand, it's all about the student's experience and that they can customize the social media based on their learning needs. There's been a couple of studies that show that there's a good reaction from students when using social media. For example, this one where a class used Twitter for a semester, and it showed that the students that used their educational Twitter accounts more engaged with the learning material a lot more, and that they're able to communicate with their peers and share information at a higher rate. However, using these accounts did not affect the attendance, and a common thread with this is that students like to communicate with using social media with their peers. However, they tend to lean towards communicating with their instructor via more professional ways like email and face-to-face. Another study where engineering class used Discord showed that a lot of students talk to each other via Discord towards the later hours of the day where it was already too late to contact their instructor with questions, so that they use the Discord in these times, and a lot of students use nicknames instead of their actual names so that they can ask questions anonymously. And also Discord was really easy to use because they're able to integrate it into the university's current learning management system. Some of the downsides of using social media is that it can cause some distractions and that there's some unreliable information on social media. However, there's going to be distractions on the internet in general, so there's ways to lower these distractions, like creating a separate account for educational purposes, and it's solely based on the students to learn how to manage those distractions. And there's also a lot of unreliable information on the internet in general, so the teachers have to teach the students how to distinguish between reliable and unreliable sources and information, and the students also have to learn how to distinguish from both of those. And these are my sources. Thank you.